motivates Custom Quartz is the satisfaction that we give our customers, what they envision their kitchen to look like, and when it actually does come out and looks beautiful, it just brings a smile to their face and brings a smile to our face.
We've got 10 years experience working with Silestone countertops. Our service is guaranteed and satisfaction is guaranteed. We are one of the only certified Silestone installation companies here in Orlando, Florida. Our name speaks for itself.
Our products are all done on computerized machines, precise measurements, exact edging, undermount sinks, drop-in sinks, fireplace surrounds, vanities, whatever you want, we can do.
Silestone is 93% quartz. It's maintenance-free, it's stain-resistant, heat-resistant, and scratch-resistant.
Our service is fast. We'll have your kitchen installed within 7 days. Comes with a 15-year warranty and a 1-year installation warranty.
For free home estimates of granite, silestone, or marble, call Custom Quartz because we're here to satisfy your needs.